Hi, I'm Salva. I study computer science at the Technical University of Darmstadt, which is in Germany. Here at CMU, I joined the Autumn Lab and have the pleasure to be mentored by Dr. Dubravsky and Ben Böcking. Of course, I only joined remotely. I'm right now with my grandma and family in a nice little town in central Germany. And so my work here focuses on weak supervision, which is an area motivated by the fact that successful machine learning methods require large amounts of hand-labeled data, or of labeled data, but that hand labeling is time-consuming and expensive. And instead, we can express higher-level abstractions called labeling functions that label subsets of the data noisily and may conflict or overlap with each other. Only given them, we want to get probabilistic labels for our unlabeled data that we can then use to train any machine learning algorithm as usual. For instance, in a sentiment analysis application, we may have a labeling function, labeling for the positive sentiment whenever the keyword recommend appears in a text. And now say we had another labeling function, labeling for the negative class whenever the keyword would not recommend appears. Then it's clear that when both label, the latter is fixing the less precise vote of the first that only labels on the single keyword recommend. This and other types of dependencies such as priority or reinforcing can be easily incorporated into the generative model that's used to produce the probabilistic estimates of the unknown labels. Now, even though this is already supported and there has been research on finding these dependencies automatically, it's not well understood why and if they are important to model. And so this is where my work comes in. I want to characterize the settings in which modeling dependencies helps and maybe those in which it does not, as well as quantify the boost in performance that we can expect from modeling them. To do so, I'm running right now experiments on synthetic data where we have full control over the type, number, and strength of dependencies, and I'm extending it right now to real datasets. I'm really thankful to everybody who made this RIS experience possible, especially to Arthur, Ben, John, and Rachel. And yeah, I found a very exciting research area of weak supervision and met great people in my lab and the RIS cohort.